Yo, what's up? I'm gonna do a bike check. This is a Haro tire. I don't know what it's called. Growler rim, growler hub, Primo hub guard white, stock peg, green chain. I don't know what it's called. I forget. Stock growler sprocket, stock cranks. Odyssey twisted PCs. I like them because they're like tie-dye almost. We the People seat, suede with the sword going through it. It's pivotal. Growler 2011 frame. Growler stem, growler headset, growler bars, ODI long neck black, ODI bar end, We the People forks, Eastern tire, growler rim, growler front hub, and stock peg. Thanks. Light.